Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on everything that's happening in South Africa and how the justice system in South Africa is like so crazy. You ask yourself, Uguti, what is the problem? We understand that Uguti, I want to kanjani into kaSenzo Meyiwa ngifuna ukuqala ngayo. You see how he has taken almost, we actually on our 11th year. You're just like, why? And the mother is always asking, so you just see, they actually, in this case, I'll use my money to do stuff. And I saw some video that was going on about Ukeli and some manager, they're fighting for money. Ukeli was mali. I'm just like, why are you involved in these things? We know that you can't sing anymore. Not that you can't sing, she can sing, that lady. She was on another video the other day, featuring some other artist. I'm just like, your sister's shame. One thing, she's gifted to Hambuzu Lap. But the only problem with her, she doesn't want to tell us who deleted Senzo, and she was there. That's the only unfair thing. Mangisi, she can't sing. She look at gigs are told no one supporting her and all of that. So she's resorted now to being a sangoma. Who say sangoma now full on? Although obviously, I mean, she'll be like, I'm a spiritual healer, you know, and then she'll be doing like videos, crazy videos. I'm just like, when you were saying the other day, so how is that gonna help her? But if it's helping her, guys, she must just use it. So I wanted to go to Olorato story. Olorato Mangela. About this story, I don't want to lie. On my other channel, News Galore, for days, I did explain when her mom was just talking, that whole thing was, they were best friends. She was a bookworm. She's well traveled. Yay! For the 31-year-old, the stuff that she's done, I was just like amazed by her. So story broke, and all of us, we were interested in the story. What I'm taking also on the story, after the other guys, Ababanjiwe, that did this thing. There's actually just one guy obviously who was speaking to her on social media. I'm even thinking it wasn't him, it was other people, baby Kulumanj, Bemsiza, to be speak, to lure this child to come to this guy and have a date with him, to end up as Mbulal. So why I started with Senzo Meyiwa? Remember, I've always said, Yabonika Lomuntu and Damakazabantu, don't play with those things. Awubazi abantu ukuthi banjani. And uyakhumbula ngithi, I even said something about, besides uSenzo Meyiwa, this week I talked about the 5 accused and their families and how I feel ukuthi Brigadier Akininde is the one that dropped them to be with their families. Maybe 2 of them, I say can be accused number 1 and 2, right? Because accused number 5 was serving sentences for other things that he had done. 3 life sentences apparently. And I'm just like, this guy was out there trying to delete Senzo Meyiwa. We are using a lot. So I want to talk about Tuguti. You don't know people. And accused about 5. How so many families, 5 families, Brigadier Akininde and her crew and entourage, they've messed up with those families, took bread from them. We are using and you don't know those families. When you can do stuff. Someone was even saying, good size, okay, but party messenger, in fact, like court in Senzo Meyiwa's trial, they've said it many times on the comments. But I'm just like, guys, don't play with people. Don't play with people's blood. You don't know people. Agaga, fuck up, even in the ground. The main suspect. Cause man, uyayibona le nto le ngishoyo. So abanye abantu abadlali omunye vela athi lalilake yabona nje obungihambisile nami ngihamba nawe. Uyayibona manje ukuthi it's not ending well, and Uyabona ukuthi what happened was that the mother was hiding him, brothers. Bazibawashwa uma wakhe and the father. They were hiding him. Some guy was also hiding him. Nini bese be driver futhi yona le moto, and this car had blood stains at the back. And asayo check futhi lama blood stains by they've taken them, obviously ama forensics. The pathologists are gonna work on them. They're actually working on them. So Olorato was like, Mina, I'm not gonna play with you, bruh. Like uzohamba nami. Because lo muntu, that's where it comes in. Khona ezinye izinto nje in life, guys. Stay away. Stay away. Don't get involved in stuff. You know, Olorato's father even said, he even thinks it wasn't just they wanted to rob her, or it could have been HT. They wanted to do an HT on her. Or other things. Who even knows, guys? Who even knows? Isn't it kotlakele kanje? How crazy is this, guys? Yo, I was just like, ngeke. So laba abanye amabhizi nabo futhi alaba de bemsiza, because lo muntu was coming from KZN, came here in Johannesburg, waba busy ngingane yabantu idlala ngayo, khohlakala okungaka, guys. I was just like, this is just so heartbreaking in another level you've never seen. I'm like, why? Even Griselda, ngoba ube spokesperson for this family, I think they are related actually. Not that I think they are related. She was just saying, what kind of scamming are these? Imdlwembe, you know, those type of people who have no heart. Honestly, Zio is just like, whatever, I don't care. Honestly, like who even? This was just crazy, guys. So all I'm saying, Ugusi, guys, and I've said it so many times, even no sense of me and his father, might have taken long, but things are still going to turn around for Senzo Meyiwa. I mark my words. I promise you that. You'll be like, what happened? How? To just turn around. Olorato didn't even take a week. Izolo on my other channel, I mentioned the devil allocated them. At the time, baby is now. I just knew good was about all, but go Phoenix, Nago Mash, wherever they were. I could see it. And I was just like, you know what, Umkwanazi once again, he's done it. He was just like, Hambani ni Yobafuna, Labengakon. Get them. How could they do this? And then they ran away from Egoli, the AKZN. They ran away actually from La Egoli via AKZN. I'm just like, abantu bakhohlakele, guys, sure. Bakhohlakele abanye abantu la banazo inhliziyo la ngaphandle. It's the same as Senzo Meyiwa's case. How do you think those people that are testifying there have hearts? All those people that are lying there, including Ubaloyi. Very, very shady. For you, shady Baloyi last year. Full time. Gatekeeper, Brigadier Bongani Geninda. He was gatekeeping everything. Umuntu wa end up a gatekeeper to a point where he was even talking to abantu basesemex ukuthi lalela no accused number 3 mvaleleni we confinement. How do you put someone on confinement? Solitary confinement guguthi lo muntu loyo didn't even do anything, because mostly in solitary confinement, if you're not abiding, basically awulaleli uzofaka lapho. Lo muntu lo akakaqedwa akakenzwa expired is inside some small cell uyahlukunyezwa daily. Ngobani wayephethe isibhamu kakheli kumali angazi siphatha angazi angene kakheli. Ngeke, guys. Let's look at them in another eye. Siyibuka izinto sisayibuka sibuke ngezingelinye ihlo lezinto. How can umuntu oyi-one apheke and cook ukudla kungavuthwa? What is even going on here? So nje guys, izinto ayifani. Uyabona manje u-Olorato Mangela was like, sizohamba together. But lo oduduliwe amaphoyisa ebhizi edubulana namaphoyisa back is the main suspect, in fact. But unabangani that he was working with la Egoli. Yebo. Unabo. He was working with them. They were like, Olorato Mangela was like, mina ke I will show you. Don't ask me. Mangihamba nawe uyahamba. So abanye abantu basebenza kanjalo. So igazi lisebenza kanjalo-ke in other instances. Abadlala abanye abantu. Like I'm saying ukuthi yabona ukuthi njengoba ngithi kuwena kasenzo umeyiwa ezakhona izinto might have taken longer but mhlawumbe bayayibukela nje. You just like, no, it's fine. You can take 30 years, masithanda. We will turn things around though. Akudlalo la emhlabeni. Busy taking people for granted, gaslighting people, jwayela abantu kabi ema-court, abantu ongabazi. People bazokubonisa ke. Zoyingima lapho kancane guys ngalesi story. Thank you so much guys for your support. Ngithanda over.